Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is goodness. The goodness that's inside of you, the growth that you have been transforming through all your hard times. Give yourself some credit. You're too hard on yourself. I understand that you're the king, you're the queen. You have a lot of responsibility that is in your aura. You're responsible for a lot of people. A lot of people are watching you and they're mimicking you because you are the big dog. You are the queen, you are the king, the Raj, the emperor. But give yourself some credit for the character carving, the positive things that have been able to manifest through your tough time. You've elevated to be a stronger king. Therefore, you can broaden your kingdom. More blessings are coming to you because you're strong enough to maintain them. I overcome my imperfections and polish my character and feed on the positive. Continue to feed on the positivity that got you to this point. It's going to make you unstoppable, and it's going to make you're going to be more grateful, because the dreams that you have in your mind are actually going to come to you because you can sustain it. Thus, I free myself and I allow goodness to manifest and become a source of joy. The small source of joy can propel you to positive energy, where the magnets of the universe, whatever we feel, whatever we project is what comes our way. Positive energy, blessings. Negative energies, lessons and obstacles and tests, where it shows us why we need to let go of these negative energies. The small source of joy can be the greatest trampoline to bounce us into positivity. A clumsy baby, laughing at ourselves, being able to laugh at a clumsy dog, be able to breathe, walk, talk. These are small superpowers in the world that we take for granted. Don't take the small source of joy for granted, where they can propel your spirit into a place of gratitude. Gratitude is an attitude, and when Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength sees that you're when you're grateful, they're going to give you way more to be grateful about because you're grateful for the small things. Therefore, they know you'll be grateful for the big things. Through gentleness, I offer unconditional support, understanding, and love, and to myself and to others. The unconditional love that you have for yourself, show it for the rest of the world. For we are your people, and we're in your kingdom. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.